Okay, hello. Today I want to talk about functions and formulas. Okay, of course you know these are cells, like D3 is a cell and E7 is a cell, and of course this is a column and this is a row. Let's talk about functions and formulas for a moment. A function is a preset tool you can use within Excel. It's like a little program you can use inside of the Excel program itself. You use various functions for determining like a sum of data to sum up a column of numbers or a row of numbers or take the maximum value in a column of numbers. Um, you can also use formula. A formula is something where you decide on what the formula looks like. It's mathematical typically, but it's not a function that already exists, okay? Let's take an example. Let's say I have sales and cost in various cells, and we're going to say profit slash loss. And let's say that in cell E4 I have $1,000. And in cell E5, you can see the coordinates here, column E, row 5, and it's telling me up here in my name box what cell I'm on. I'm going to put $600. And in E6, I can put 400 because that's the difference and that's what we're going to take, but I really should use a function or a formula for this. And before I do this, I want to highlight the column and click the currency style, and it defaults to dollar symbol, and put dollar symbol on this. All right. Now let's take a look at what we need to do. The profit or loss, profit slash loss, is determined by the sales minus the cost, right? So it's 1,000 minus 600. So if you want to break this down logically, 1,000 is in cell E4 and 600 is in cell E5. So E4 minus E5 should yield the difference. Let's do that. So how do you start building a function or formula? You press the equal sign, and notice you have a formula bar up here. Okay, formula bar right there. Okay, and once I pressed equal, you also notice that a list of functions popped up on the left. See those? And the sum is the more common function. Of course, there's your average and your if function we've talked about. But I'm not going to use a function. These are built-in little formulas, if you will. I'm going to make up my own here because there's not one for the difference. It's only two cells, so I don't need to do anything with a range of cells. So let's go click that. That's the item I want to, take the starting point, I should say. And I'm going to press the minus symbol for subtract and click the next one. It's that easy. Just you can click and press minus symbols or plus symbols or divide symbols and do this. Press enter and you notice I got $400. Notice that on the spreadsheet or the worksheet, and I have 3 worksheets within the overall spreadsheet, that it shows literally how it would print. All right, so if I were to go File, Print, Preview, it would show me what it would look like on the screen. I'm going to close that. However, in the formula bar, it shows me my actual formula. Now let's take a little bit different example, and let's deal with, let's say we want to sum up a set of values. Let's say products A, B, and product C. And we sold 71, 89, and 56 of them. Well, I want to add those up. Well, I can go down to the cell below, which is in cell H7, and I can press the auto sum button, and boom, it's going to sum up the values preceding it that have data in them, the cells that have data in them. It won't sum up H3 here because it's empty. I press equals. Actually, what it fills in for me is H4 through, that's where the colon means. That's what the colon means there. See that colon right there? H6. Press enter. There you go. So this has been a discussion of formulas and functions, and I hope you've gained a little bit of extra knowledge out of this. Thank you.